Hi there. In this video, I'm about to tell you how you can make over $100 a day in 2021. Making money is always good, especially extra money, but you want to make sure that you're not spending a lot of time on making the most amount of money. So in this video, you will not hear me talking about surveys, walking with dogs, or even tutoring. Although the last two are pretty legit ways to make money, but unfortunately it's hard to scale them and they depend a lot on the location. So the 5 ways that I'm about to tell you about are actually really easily scalable, and you can pretty much do them from any part of the US. So if you are ready, I'm ready. So let's dive right in. So the first way of making an extra $100 a day will be simply working for Lyft and Uber. Or you can work also for Instacart, DoorDash, and other services that offer food delivery. Now, the good part about that is you can easily make more than $100 without any hustle. But you may ask me, what if I don't have a car? Well, in that regard, if you don't have a car, you will have to go with Uber and Lyft because they do offer a rental vehicle food delivery services. Unfortunately, I haven't heard about them offering a rental vehicle as well, so probably not the way to go for you. Now, the other question that you may have is how you can scale that business or scale that job and make more money than that. Well, the first way is fairly simple and it's a boring one, and it will not be a huge increase. That will be just by you getting those 5-star reviews, by you working long enough so that you have more benefits from the company. But if you're not scared of working a little bit extra, what you can do is to pay attention to people that you usually deliver and where you deliver them. Because you might have an old lady that usually goes to a massage therapist every single Sunday in the morning, right? Or you can have a businessman that's usually going right from work to the airport to go to their family on Saturday night or Friday night. And what you can offer is actually scheduled delivery for them. So you will be coming at a certain time always to bring them there, and you will be waiting for them and picking them up and bringing them home, or the other way around, bringing the businessman to the airport, and then on Monday morning you'll be just waiting for him to bring him back to the office, right? So there are a lot of ways around that, and over time you can build your own book of business, because those people will start talking about you, telling their friends about you, how good service you're actually providing. And over time you probably won't even have to work for Lyft and Uber. You will open your own company that will be doing delivery services for people for the book of business that you already have, and you'll be just expanding that. Be creative with that. There are really a lot of ways to make money by delivering people around the area. Number 2, on platforms like Fiverr.com or Upworks, you will be able to offer your services, like for example, digital design, product photography, virtual assistants, to customers and actually make money for that. You technically becoming a freelancer, but in the beginning, you're not getting as much money because you don't have this trust built, you don't have reviews, don't have stuff like that. But over time, when you build them, you will see a huge increase in the amount of money that you charge for certain jobs, and of course, you will be able to do different levels of jobs as well. Like for example, a couple of years ago, I had to actually hire a product photographer. So a beginner will be charging $10 per picture when I was charged $700 for 10 pictures, and all the person had to do was just to receive my item, take pictures, do slight editing and send it back to me. Really simple. So if you're good at any of the skills, just monetize on that using those platforms. And also a good way of scaling will be to actually hire someone who can help you doing this job. So for example, if you're a virtual assistant and you already have a lot of good reviews, what you can do is you can actually hire somebody, teach them how to do your job, and that way you will be doing less, making same or more money over the period of time. And that way you can pretty much build your own virtual assistance agency, and that will be a pretty good way of making money, definitely more than $100 a day. The third way of actually making over $100 a day will be by selling leads. So what is that? You basically become a bridge between a customer that struggles to find the right company for their needs and the company that advertises to the too broad audience and the conversion is really low. So what you will do, you will connect them together, and that way you will be making a lot of money. To do that, you can either create a blog or your own YouTube channel where you will be talking on a certain topic and helping people, helping customers, helping companies to actually find each other. Now, please do your homework and figure out what is the actual topic, where is the need right now for this bridge. This idea is not from my head. I actually picked that from a book called Millionaire's Fastlane, and the author is actually talking about his own business that he had in the past. He actually decided to go with the limousine services. I will not recommend you to take the same route because this book became an actual bestseller. So there are so many other people that already jumped on that same topic. So please find something for yourself. Now, if you want to grab an audiobook, it's gonna be right there down in the description. Click on the link to Audible, and from there we'll move into the number 4, which is my favorite one. And that will be selling used items on eBay. Now, you can find stuff on garage sales, on Craigslist, or even in those thrift stores. Basically, some items in good conditions you can resell on eBay if there is demand for them. For example, me personally, I was working with shoes always, and I remember that pair of shoes that I grabbed for $2 only, and it was selling there for 28 plus shipping. So it was literally 10x that I was making from what I've spent, and it's just incredible. Going to those thrift stores, you will spend probably a couple hours and you'll be making already $100 or more without a doubt. Just do a little bit more research on the items that you're purchasing. Make sure that there is a demand on eBay, and yeah, that's it. That's a very simple and very nice and fun way to make some extra money. Finally, number 5. The last way how you can make more than $100 a day will be swing trading or day trading. Now, I would ask you, do your research first, get a course, get in touch with someone who does that already and knows how to do that, or at least pick up some information online and then go and do some paper trading. Get used to that, get used to the platforms where you trade, figure out how the trading system works itself, and then start small and grow by adding more and more money and making more and more money there. That's an awesome way of making money from literally any location. And also you can grow that by just making more money and reinvesting them and making even more money, or just by simply adding them, trading them, and making more money in general because you've traded a really good plus for yourself. Talking about stocks, there are 2 links down in the description. You can grab, one of them will be for Robinhood, another one will be for Webull. You can grab your free stocks there. That's gonna be from both of them at least 20 free bucks that will end up in your pocket. So please grab those, and don't forget that it can be also some higher end companies like Microsoft or Tesla that will be worth way more than a couple bucks. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate your time. Please let me know down in the comments which way do you think that you can start using tomorrow to make at least $100 a day extra. And of course, don't forget about those free links down in the description. One of them will be for Audible, where you will be able to grab a free audiobook. I will recommend you to listen to the Millionaire Fastlane, but it's up to you. If you already have gone through this book, go and grab another one, get yourself some more information to make more money. And of course, 2 links to the stock trading companies where you will be able to grab those free stocks and get yourself at least $20 extra right in your pocket. Don't forget about them. And of course, the regular thing, like and subscribe. And of course, I'll see you in the next one.